shouldn't know. I got secrets.
Good morning, Stephanie Cameraman, the Stock Whisperer, here with today's Daily Dark Pool Whispers for May 14th, 2020. We are going below the bear level on the SPY. Not surprising. Massive, massive, massive sell prints. Yeah, make sure you got your protection on. Bearish below 280. I have a small retracement trade. Yeah, even though I'm bearish, I still have those small day trade retracement trades that could possibly happen back to resistance. So you'll see them like right here. You might retrace back to the 4 EMA. Keep in mind the 4 EMA moves. It's a moving average. So wherever it is, that's where you get out on a retracement trade. All right, but right now we're in bearish mode. Let's go to ES. The E-minis, bull above 2820, bear below 2800, and we went below that just now. IWM, bullish above 123.25 and bear below 121. We've already gone below that as well. And again, this is why I post these out as soon as I do them in the morning on the Dark Pool app. So you get them before they go through the levels. I know a lot of you trade pre-market, so it's very handy. Bullish above 222 for the Qs, bear below 219. Yeah, why is the DIA on my whisper this morning? Well, we got some very large late sell prints on the DIA. Yeah, now, when we get that, it's always a sign. It's just another sign combined with all those other crazy sell prints we got. But the DIA in particular, we don't normally get too many of those Levi's, those late prints that they do in London. They cross the trade with the New York desk, and we get them late. Well, guess what? We got a new level, 238.01. It doesn't look big, but it is big. And the last time we got big levels, they were buying at the bottom. So, yep, selling at the top. Absolutely bearish engulfing. Yep. And so that's why this is on the whisper today. Bear below 232. And we've already gone down quite a bit. But there's still more room. Just watch this 50 simple moving average. It's most likely going to bounce. Yep. Then the second test, that's when you have the big fall. Very sneaky though. Okay, let's go to the Dow Futures as well. I put that on because I want you to watch those. And we have room to go down to the 50 simple moving average on those. That's a great trade to the short side. Let's go to oil. Oil, all right, we're going to be bullish above 29.75. You can see we had a big volume spike right here, so that's why I went really bullish above there. That's our trade to the upside. Bear below 26.25. We've already done that trade pretty much almost to the pivot. Looks like somebody cut the line there. So I would trade for the next bear below is really the pivot. This is our next really great short trade or possibly another retracement down to the pivot from here. Probably 25.80. I would use that level. All right, so the first trade already happened. 25.80 would be another entry on the short side. And then if you miss that, below the pivot, if we do go lower. Let's go to the gold futures. Gold futures. All right, we're going to be bullish above 17.28. Okay, there's a short trade from about here to here. We have resistance here. It's a little bit choppy on the upside. Bear below 17.20. We already did this trade to the pivot. So the next trade is really 17.15 down to 17.10 on the short side. All right, let's go to the individual stocks. AAL, yep, lots of airlines, cruises on the active list this morning. Yeah, so I have them, a lot of them on the whisper, lots of volume coming in pre-market. So bullish above 920, small retracement, bearish below 880. We've already gone below and hit my first target for UAL. AAL. UAL, we are bearish below 20. We've already gone down quite a bit on this. Again, if it already goes below my whispers, this is why it's important to learn how to trade and do this yourself. Going to the next level, watching your pivots, and I'll be teaching so many traders next week in boot camp. Yes, it's boot camp time on Monday. I only do this class 4 times a year, so I'm excited to teach all the new traders in the Java pit that have been coming in over the past couple months how to do this. It's really priceless gift that I can give to you. So if you missed this one, August 3rd is the next one. We already have people signing up for that one, so just let me know if you want to join us. So UAL, bear below 20, 1950 is the next level. Okay, if you missed that first trade, I would look to enter just below 1950. Bank of America, yeah, great short already this morning, bear below 2040. We've already gone and hit my first target and bounced at 2030. That's Camarilla support. And these are really awesome levels. Yeah, let me just show you right here. We've gone right down to this solid green line. If we go below that, look out, the next trade is all the way down to 2008 is the next target for BAC. We've been trading Wells Fargo. A lot of us in the trading room, I'll get to that in a moment, but let's go to JD. JD, bullish above 48.50 and bear below 47. Right now it's coming down to the 4 EMA. Yep. My trade setup is after it bounces and then goes right here. Second test. In between there's a gap here. So this is why I did the gap fake out. See, gap fake out. A lot of times I take it to the strongest level. It could be around 46, could be around 48.83. They'll take it there and then push it up. And then that second test, probably another day. Usually doesn't happen the same day for the gap fill trade. All right, let's go to Delta. Delta, bullish above 1950, bear below 1887. We've already gone into this trade already. And moving down, 1850 next major level. We should bounce there. Second, and you see there's a buyer. Yeah, buyer is totally right there. See? Biggest guy right there on the level 2. Good place to take profit, wait for it to break through, and then another short below that. NCLH, bear below 10. We've already started to go down, hit our first target. Watch the 980 level for another entry. 979 is the best entry for that. And of course, Wells Fargo. We had a decent print yesterday at 2206. We bounced up a little bit off that. Right now we are below it. But I chose 2160. It might go below, but if we can go below 2160, then it's going to get really, really ugly. But we are still swinging this one short. Tesla. All right, Tesla bearish below 772.50. Look at that. One came right down to 772.97. Why did I pick that level today? Well, I'll show you why. The reason I picked that level is I wanted to go below this Camarilla. Camarilla, yeah, is amazing. So that's why I picked it. All right, you can see it just popped up here. Really important. I love these Camarillas. Pivot Boss. Yeah, and by the way, those of you in the Java pit, I put Jane's presentation on TradingView in the members presentation, so you learn how to put these pivots there. Yeah, so go ahead and check that out. Yep, and bounce it went. So watch that level if you trade Tesla, really key level. Let's go to the next one, AMD. AMD bullish above 53 and bear below 51.50. We came down to about 51.56 and bounce. Yeah, 51.50 really key level for that. So there you have it. Those are your whispers for May 14th. Until next time, happy trading, everybody.
That's my secret. Gonna keep it my secret. My secret.